Like, it's so wild to me, man. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, the vile fucking hatred. Like, yes, I've lied. Okay, right? Was an addiction. Like, I lied. Why do I fucking deserve to, like... Doesn't matter. Like, honestly, that's all I've done was lie. Like, if you break it down to the just nitty gritty, that's it. And recently, people know that I've sent receipts. I've sent receipts, videos of me like leaving the store, all of it, to people in private, like trying to. It doesn't matter. But they treat me like I'm like a maps or a KILLE, you know what I mean? Like, come on, man. Like, all of this, like I've lost enough. And I get that it's my fault. Like, I do. Like, I get it, man. But come on. Give me a fucking break, dude. My mental health ain't doing too good this week. But anyways, guys, here. I wanted to show you guys this for the people. I don't know if it'll even show. See, it's not even going to show that. Okay, I had to send this to somebody, but they didn't send. They were just trolling me like they do, right? But you have to put the number in and then hit pay, okay? And then I did this for somebody, and they were just trolling me, man. They do it all the time. This is craziness. The person who just tried to send that, I see that you keep trying to send. You can send to the K, what is it? Kai and K's mama. You could send to that one. Who is that? Yeah, it's Kai and KYANDKAYSMAMA. That's the other one. No, now they're messing with me. No, I didn't say anything about the Britt Corbin. I said, hold on a second, guys, so I can try this, because this is just, I can't come back on again and do this tonight. Right there, guys, the lady that begins with A, I see you, because like I said, I have the Cash App right here. Look at my eye. I'm so stressed out. Yeah, I look silly as fuck. Oh my god. It's so embarrassing. Anyways, A, I don't want to say your name out. You could send to that one, and it shouldn't fail. It's failing now because of, you know why. I don't even want to say it. So if anybody tried sending, and you can look at the bottom and it said failed to the Lisa Boo 2232, which is also in the bio, you could try here. Yeah, just $10. That's all I was trying to get. That's it. You can call me a bum. That's fine. I talked to Kim today. She's making a thread over in the Reddit. If you guys aren't in the Reddit, links are in her bios. Surviving Lisa Richards Discord. She's making a little, whatever they're called, with all my emails and texts and stuff that these people send me and stuff. Just because she says, I think that some of that should get out, because it's like some vile shit sometimes, you know? And not the ones where they're like, get a job, you suck, whatever. No, I'm talking about the vile shit that they fucking send. she's gonna make a thread or whatever they're called. I don't know about Discord what they're called. Ma'am, you're spamming my text. Get a job. Okay, I understand. I can't get one right this second. A toothless wonder. Wow, that's so nice of you. My mental health ain't doing good. Let's spam her fucking text. Unblock her, but I gotta wait till I get off here. Lame. 217-900. Guys, what is 217 area code? Oh, I can't even talk to them. Here, I'm gonna talk to them on here before I get off. An A-M, if you could send to the Kai and K's mama, you probably have to search it the same way. If it's rejecting, you can try Kai and K's MAMA, or try the Lisa Boo 2, the one that's in the bio. The one that's in the bio. Ma'am, I already explained that. I have 2 cigarettes. Would you like me to show it again? Thank you for showing up, Bella. I appreciate you. But yeah, if you guys want to go over to the Discord, okay? Or not like go over, but sign up for the Discord, okay? It's Surviving Lisa Richards. Kim has them in all the Discord, links and all her things, okay? My dad is making hamburgers. I already asked him, which I shouldn't have done, but I did to just prove to you guys I'm not lying. Anyways, she's gonna make a whatever they are, the threads with on the side, right? Just putting up the emails and stuff, because like I said, some of this stuff is just, you guys have no idea. And every time I put up what they're doing, they say I wrote it to myself. What the fuck would I write shit like that to myself when I wasn't even planning on putting it out? It doesn't make sense. I would love to leave TikTok. You have no idea. I don't want your sympathy. No, I don't. I just want to be treated like everybody else. That's it. What's up? Delivery of what? Amazon. What? Amazon. What's the address? I didn't order. Or Amazon. Okay, I'm sorry, Amazon. I thought you were sending me. I thought somebody sent me pizza. I couldn't be that lucky. 15212. Okay. Thank you. What's the name? Okay, I don't know if my parents got something from Amazon. Thank you, sir. Sorry, guys. I'm carrying these boxes for my parents. I don't know what the fuck. This could be some stuff for Ronnie, because I know she was getting stuff for the baby off a wish list or something. Let me look and see, because if it's not for us, I gotta give it back. No, it says Ronnie Richard. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get off. Sell what? I would never sell Christmas presents for my niece. No, ma'am. I would not. No, I'm not gonna steal it. She's actually starting to warm up to me a lot. When I came down today to my parents' living room, I was like, hey, baby girl. And she gave me a big smile and stuff. And I was like, you want to play with my phone? And she don't know who I am, right? So she used to be really scared of me. Not scared, but, she just wouldn't really come near me, which I understand. But now she's kind of warming up, and I just handed her my phone, and, I was, happy that she, smiled at me and stuff. But, yeah, you guys can, like I said, Kai and K's MAMA. Hold on, hold on a sec. Or in the bio is the other one if you can help. And yes, prayers, please. Please, prayers.